You have a laptop that does not have keyboard light and you struggle to type at night? Oh, don't worry, I am here to get that problem resolved. You can take advantage of the 5-volt DC voltage that come out of your USB port on the laptop to power an LED that will shine bright on your keyboard at night, and then you can type easily. All right, so you don't need to have any basic knowledge in electronics. This is very simple. Anybody can do it. You just don't even need much. You just need LED that way produce the light. Okay, so you just need a white LED. So you can use any type, but I'm going to use this type because of the pin. I'm not going to solder, so I'll just coil the cable around it. Then you just need a USB cable, old one, so that will be cut off. Then you need a resistor. This is 100 ohms. You can use any value as low as 10 ohms, 20 ohms, 50 ohms. The purpose of this LED is to reduce the brightness. Sorry, the purpose of this resistor is to reduce the brightness of the LED. So advantage of reducing the brightness of the LED is the LED will not get damaged over time. Then it will not drain your laptop battery. So if it is not shining fully bright, it will have very low effect on your laptop battery. So you will not even notice any significant difference on your laptop battery. So it will not become an additional load. So I just need this clip. This is additional anyway, but I need it to be hung on this laptop so that the LED will be suspended on it in the position that will face the keyboard. Okay, so when I hang, we place the LED this way so that it will face the keyboard. All right, so you can use any other method of your choice. Any way you can hang the LED to face the keyboard, that's fine. So let's get started. First of all, you don't even need any tools. You just need to cut this USB cable. Cut it. Okay, then strip it out. Cut out this cover. So there are 4 cables here, but we are not interested in all of them. You just need the black and red. That is for power. Black is positive. Sorry, red is positive. Black is negative. Just cut out the other ones. Then peel out the red and black to expose the actual copper cable. This is plus, that is positive. This is negative. So these are the 2 cables you'll be connecting to your LED. First of all, let's check voltage. If this cable is good, I want to plug it to the laptop USB port now and measure the voltage out of it. You don't necessarily need to do this. I just want to verify there is 5-volt output here. So make sure they don't bridge, they don't touch each other, because if you allow them to touch each other continuously, that is bridging. You're creating short circuit, may damage the USB port. Okay, so I want to measure DC voltage, 5 volt. So set my meter to 5 volt, 20-volt range. Then put red on red probe on red wire, then the other one there. Okay, so the cable is good and there's 5 volts output from the USB port on my laptop, so that is good. That is what we are looking for. This 5 volt is what is going to power the LED. So the next step is to attach the LED to this clip in a way that will face down. So I think this would be better this way. So we create a hole that will go this way. Then before I actually insert the LED here, let's identify the positive and negative pin of the LED. I created another video that teaches how to identify the positive and negative pin for different kinds of LED, but this one, since this one is new, is straightforward. So if you have different kind of LED, then you may refer to that video. I will share it in the comment section. So this one have one longer pin than the other. So this long pin is the positive and this short pin is the negative. So you connect the resistor to any of the pin. Okay, so you can connect the resistor to this pin, you can connect it to any of them. So but it's prefer we always use that positive pin for the resistor. So let me just connect it. Let it face down. Okay, so at the opposite side we need to connect the cables now. The red will go to the resistor. Then let the black go to the second leg of the LED. So here it is. So let me hang. Then I need to plug the USB cable to the USB port on the laptop to test. So first let me check. Okay, stay connected. Can you see that? Okay. Let me unplug and see. You see that? Let me try the other USB port. So the day is still bright here, so the reflection is not that much, but you can see it's so visible, so crystal here. So imagine a dark environment. Yeah, so the room is dark now, and then you can see how bright it is. Let me remove it and you see the difference. Can you see it? And I plug it back. Yep. So that's how simple it is. You don't need any knowledge of electronics before you can do this simple connection. And in case you don't have the resistor, you can randomly try different resistor value and monitor the brightness. Then anyone that fits your desired brightness, then you can choose it. So you don't need to you can easily get resistor from old panel, old charger, destroy charger, any kind of panel at all. We have different kinds of resistor, so just remove some, break the panels, remove some resistors and randomly try it. Okay, so you can use a colored LED if you have a colored LED also, if you want it to look beautiful, to reflect the beautiful color on the keyboard, then you can also use that. So thanks for watching. Do have a beautiful day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow me on social media if you like this video.